Hey there people, how's it going? And today what we're going to be talking about is the Munchkin Arm & Hammer Nursery Fresheners. Now, everything Munchkin is for your children. I mean, when you have babies, you need things to keep things smelling good. Yeah, because even though they're cute, they can stink and make things stink. So yeah, Arm & Hammer has these little devices that they're very small, just like this, and what's inside is baking soda. The baking soda inside is what actually is the thing that is making the air around the article where you have these placed. It's what makes it smell fresh. I mean, baking soda does that. It really makes the air smell fresh around. I mean, it just kills the odors that are in the air. And for some reason, baking soda can do that. The baking soda inside really makes it so it just does that. The baking soda in just about anything. I mean, if you use baking soda, you can use it for everything. You know, like your cat box, your refrigerator, your cabinets, anything. So what the active ingredient in this odor killing device is baking soda, of course, and by the king of baking soda, Arm & Hammer. Yeah, it really works well. Now, it's used best, I mean, you can use it in anything really, your diaper bags, your diaper pails, and changing tables, and even in your hampers you can use this, and it just keeps everything really fresh and nice. In a pack you get about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these, but I mean I have several because they do need to be replaced. It's also good that they come in 2 really nice fragrances. 2 of my favorites actually, lavender and citrus. Citrus is actually my favorite of all of these, and hopefully I'll get to try the lavender, but I haven't actually used that one yet, but I know it comes with that one. So hopefully soon they will make these actually a bit larger, I don't know, just bigger areas. I mean, sometimes if the area is really large that you're trying to keep fresh, you'll have to use 2. And I would just think if this was like, say, double the size, you'd get more power out of it. But it does work. I mean, it works very well in small areas. Now, if you're going to use this in your diaper pail for your dirty diapers, you shouldn't use this instead of the odor eater or whatever that's built into it, that's made for it. This is just an extra, that you can throw in there to help that along. Yeah, this is really good. And like I said, both the lavender and the citrus scents are 2 scents that I really like a lot, and I always have. I'm glad they chose those 2 to use this with, and these work very well. I mean, you can, in my experience, you can trust just about anything with baking soda in it. I mean, I have yet to see that fail in doing anything. Sometimes I think baking soda is like from outer space or something, because it just does so much, and it's just so useful, and it's really, really good. It really does kill those odors, and it just makes the area, like the bag or whatever you have it in, smell nice. And it's a really good thing that they made these. I've used them for many years. This is one of my newer ones, but I've used these for a long time. I mean, when you bring home a new baby, you should be prepared for lots of smells, and we were. And I got turned on to these by a friend of mine, and it was part of our baby shower stuff, and we've been using it ever since. They're very good, you know. Okay, well, we've been talking about the Munchkin Arm & Hammer Nursery Fresheners. Okay, well, I hope you guys use this information, and I will see you again next time. Okay, all right, bye-bye.